General overview. The labor management system helps you manage your workforce, pay employees accurately and fairly, comply fully with labor laws and contracts, and enforce your organization's attendance policies. After logging in, you see a window similar to this one. The top portion of the window contains the current date, the number of active and inactive employees, and the current pay period information. Each person using the system is assigned a user role based on the duties they perform. User roles provide the ability to customize the system to meet the needs of each user, which is why your screen may look different. This means some of the options available to payroll managers may not be available to supervisors, and so on. For example, we are currently logged in as a supervisor. Within the Daily Operations menu group is a dashboard which presents information and highlights problems that need attention on a daily basis. For supervisors, the calendar dashboard provides information related to employees scheduled, employees working, leave requests, and time cards requiring edits. The goal each day is to clear the calendar of the critical and non-critical exceptions, such as absences or tardies. To do so, click the item to be addressed and the system drills down to the appropriate information. Wherever summary information is presented in the system, drill down to get more information by moving the mouse over the item. If the appearance of the mouse changes to that of a hand with an extended finger, as shown on the screen, click the mouse to access detailed information. To address exceptions, we have just drilled down to an employee's editing sheet. To view the full width of the editing sheet or any view in the system, you can hide the menu. Just above the menu in the header area is the Hide Menu or Show Menu link, which when clicked either hides or shows the menu. We are now logged in as the payroll manager and are viewing the dashboard within the Daily Operations menu group. It is very similar to the calendar dashboard used by supervisors, but contains additional information about labor expenditures and presents daily statistical summaries. A chart comparing regular time, premium, and paid time off is displayed at the top with percentages. In general, most companies don't want overtime to exceed 10% of total hours. Below that chart are actual and scheduled hours and the difference between the two. The payroll manager also has the payroll monitor, which is very different in that it contains a lot of summary information. To learn more about an item, access Help. Click the Help icon in the header area to show where context help is available. Then click the Help icon near the item in question to view information specific to that topic. Click the red X to close the Help window. If supervisors have been keeping up with their critical and non-critical exceptions, the payroll manager won't have any issues stopping them from proceeding with payroll. Once all critical issues have been resolved, the status field on the payroll monitor turns green, indicating that payroll is ready to be processed. For detailed information about the payroll monitor or any function within the system, go to the Learning Center, which is accessed from the bottom of the menu. The Learning Center provides help in the form of printable job aids and short video-based training sessions. Within each topic, related videos and job aids are listed. Click the link in the Type column to launch the video or PDF in a new window. Rather than view the video, let's focus on the control buttons available on the toolbar at the bottom. Use these buttons to pause the video, move forward, or backward within the video as it plays. Click the Info button, return to Attendance on Demand by clicking the Back button in the toolbar. To view additional data such as the copyright, exit this information window and the window containing the video by using the X in the top right corner. We are now logged in as a supervisor. The scheduling menu group accesses many different scheduling views. However, they are currently hidden. Click a group name once to expand it, displaying its contents. Collapse the group by clicking the group name once more. In the scheduling group, Employee Schedules provides a view of multiple employee schedules for the current week on one screen. It is possible to view the previous week or the next week by using the buttons on the toolbar, as well as move through all of the employees using the page buttons. Criteria may be specified to narrow the scope of the employees viewed, such as employees that are absent today or employees working for a specific work group such as a cost center or shift. Remember that your system may look different due to its custom configuration. To view several weeks of one employee's schedule, click the employee name. It is possible to move the schedule forward or backward in time by clicking the Previous Month or Next Month buttons. Within the Interactive Summaries group on the menu, the Department Hours Summary displays the number of hours worked within each department grouped by pay designation. Clicking the name of the department drills down to a new summary sheet containing a list of the employees in that department, the number of regular hours the employees worked, and the number of overtime hours worked for that period. To locate an employee, click the employee icon in the menu heading. In the search field, type the first few characters of the employee's name and pause. Pressing Enter initiates the search, but is not necessary since the pause triggers the system to begin searching. The system searches first and last names, and a list of employees whose names contain the specified characters is provided. The return count field is used to limit the number of employees displayed as a result of the search. Click the employee's name from the list to navigate to the employee's current time card. Use the Pages menu to access other information about the employee, such as personal information, schedules, archives, and benefits. When you are finished using the system, we strongly urge you to always log off the system before closing the browser window by clicking the phrase Log Off. We also recommend using the menu to move through the system and avoiding the back and forward buttons in the browser toolbar. In summary, this overview provided an introduction to several user rules and dashboards, navigating the system, using the Learning Center and Help, and locating an employee. For more information about any of these topics, please refer to the Learning Center for additional training videos and job aids.